Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected chairperson, honorable guests, dear teachers, parents and audience. Today I want to deliver speech in this annual function on the significant topic, al-shirk polytheism. Dear brothers, shirk is the opposite of tawheed. Shirk means to make partner or to involve anyone to Allah. Indeed, this is the first biggest sin in the dictionary of Allah. Allah will never forgive him who involves anyone to him. As Allah says in Holy Quran, chapter number 4, verse 116 and 148. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَغْفِرُ أَن يُشْرَكَ بِهِ وَيَغْفِرُ مَا دُونَ ذَلِكَ لِمَن يَشَاءُ. Indeed, Allah not forgive him who involved anyone to him, with him, and all other sins if wants except polytheism. My dear brothers, the reason to be host sin is the similarity of creature to creator in the properties of divine. Who involve anyone to him, has he make partner or to involve, has he make partner with him. And you should know there is no any partner of Allah, no wife, no children of Allah. As Allah says in Holy Quran, chapter number 112, verse 1 to 4. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Say, He is Allah, who is one Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begat nor is born, nor is there any equivalent. I complete my speech in these words. I pray to Allah, give us tawfiq to worship Him until death, save us from shirk, as will as it is small polytheism or big. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.